Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video, VersAttach Blower Attachment, Operation and Maintenance. For information regarding the power head or other attachments for the VersAttach system, see the appropriate video. For your safety when using any of the VersAttach attachments, read all of the safety warnings and other instructions in the applicable owner's manual before use. Always wear the proper safety equipment. To install an attachment to the power head, simply loosen the joint knob. Twist the set pin knob 180 degrees from its locked position and firmly insert the attachment tube so that the black arrow on the attachment tube is aligned with the projection just ahead of the set pin knob. Once the attachment is inserted fully, an audible click will be heard from the set pin knob as it locks the attachment in place. Once fully inserted, use the joint knob to secure the attachment as shown. The power head should never be run without an attachment or damage to the power head may occur. Before operating the VersAttach blower attachment, let's identify the components. The major components of the blower attachment are the shaft tube, blower inlet port, blower discharge port, and the gear case. Once the attachment is securely installed, it's recommended to inspect the blower and the power head for possible safety concerns like loose or damaged parts. Always hold the blower to your right side to prevent contact with the hot muffler. Once the engine is started, it's recommended to increase the throttle to full speed for maximum airflow from the blower and allow the engine to idle when not clearing debris. Hold the blower just above the ground at about a 5-degree angle and use a left to right sweeping motion. For all the tips on how to use your VersAttach blower attachment, be sure to read the operation section of the owner's manual. Keeping the blower clear of debris and obstructions will maintain optimum airflow and prevent possible damage to the blower. It's recommended that you inspect the blower inlet and discharge outlet for obstructions before each use. Only attempt to clean the blower inlet and outlet ports with the engine off. The engine switch in the off position, and never use water or a water hose on the attachment or the power head. With a few simple maintenance steps, your VersAttach blower attachment can be trouble-free for years to come. After 20 hours of usage, the blower's gear case should be greased using NLGI No. 2 grease or equivalent. To grease the blower gear case, remove the grease nipple on the gear case and set the nipple aside. Add grease until no more grease can be added, and then install the grease nipple and wipe up any excess grease. For any additional information regarding the VersAttach blower attachment, refer to your owner's manual or contact your Honda Power Equipment dealer.